Hey, this is Justin with Survive With Us. Today we're going to show you kind of our bird area for survival. So let's go ahead and show you what's going on. My little brother is also doing a video for his channel, Faceless Paranormal Investigations. Check him out, subscribe to him. So here we go. My little brother's getting the food ready.
Duck feed real quick. We're gonna have each other on the videos.
That's okay. Looks like we need to get some more duck feed going.
So I'm gonna flip you guys over here real quick.
This is all organic.
And this here's the duck food. Just little pellets.
I'm gonna kind of be your doorman as well today. So
now I'm gonna flip you guys around. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. There he is. This little fucker right here. He has an attitude and he likes to try to attack me every once in a while. So I brought my bodyguard with me.
yeah. This little rooster here, he's the the main rooster of the area. As you saw, he kind of pecked the gray one. That her name is Silky. Silky pecked the red one, kind of in retaliation.
Big boy right there, the white, that's Blondie.
Blondie, Silky, Blondie, Spot, Arrow, and Squeaks is in there.
And he's kind of like the head guy in here. We'll give them their food. And now these guys every once in a while step inside their housing here. They like to lay eggs back this way, so we're going to check it.
There you go.
Nothing in there. Nope, nothing in there.
Anything in here? Nope, nothing in there.
Alright guys, I'm gonna settle up out of the way so
No eggs here.
these kids can
There they are.
get their food. They're yelling at us.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna saddle up out of here real quick. Ow!
Bet you that tickled in bro.
Oh, that's so.
So, as you see, I've got a couple fake eggs that they've kicked out of the coop. We're going to go and put those back up in the coops, let them know that they need to lay up in there, not out in the yard here. There's their feeder and water. We've constantly got food and water. There's another one of the eggs that they've managed to kick out. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay those in there. Is there water there? Feeder. See, we got fly catchers out here. Chickens have a tendency to get a little smelly. That's alright, that happens. It's all part of living for survival. No eggs in here. So, yeah, that's what we do here. And so you know where my bees are from here. There's my beehive there. So, there's Tony. So this is Justin. Just letting you guys know that we are doing more than just bees on this channel. So until next time. Until next time, keep surviving with all of us.